Hi everyone, it's Drew with Mobility Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to install Interstate lithium batteries in your Afikim C mobility scooter. But before we get into that, I want to make mention, if you haven't been to our website, make sure you check it out because we have a plethora of parts available for this unit. What's even great is if you go to our website, you click on the green icon on the top right-hand corner of the website, you can get a copy of your own Mobility Direct catalog absolutely free. Just fill out the form, enter your basic information, and we'll have one out to you within 2 weeks. So these here are Interstate lithium batteries, and they are 60 amp hour. I haven't installed a set of these batteries yet, but I'm really interested to see what they're like, and we're gonna report back to you and let you know what the quality is like. So we understand that this is a great manufacturer, Interstate. They've been around for a long time. They are a standard name in our industry. They provide quality batteries, but we're gonna put these batteries through the ropes, Mobility Direct style, and torture testing. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna show you where the battery compartment is on the scooter. Let's get this down. Just gonna lift straight up, get out the way. And we're gonna unscrew these little knobs here. They're thumb screws. And that's gonna allow us to take the shroud off of the scooter. We're just gonna lift up. And there are our batteries. So it looks like we have like standard 40 amp batteries inside of this. And we're gonna have to disconnect them. They just require a trusty Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so while we're getting into this, let's talk about the benefits of changing over from a standard lead acid battery to a lithium battery. Well, first and foremost, the lithium batteries tend to last longer. Most manufacturers have a long warranty period. And another is because these batteries are so heavy to change out. Figure the more weight that you have, the less distance that you're gonna end up traveling. If you have more weight on the scooter, the less distance you're gonna get. So if you cut down on the weight of the batteries, you get probably a little bit more distance too. And what's nice about lithium batteries is they charge really fast. They charge faster than any other battery. Usually takes just a couple hours for a full charge. They are about half the weight, right? And they're gonna last you about 2 to 3 times the lifespan of SLA batteries. And in case you didn't know that, that's sealed lead acid. Now that we got those heavy batteries out of the way, let's unbox and take a look at what lithium batteries Interstate has provided us here. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. So right on the top, we have some of our terminal connectors here. So what's nice about these batteries is that the BMS, which is the battery management system, it allows you to hook up to your phone and see exactly the voltage that is on your particular scooter. So this way, there's a lot of times where you have mobility scooters with battery meters that are only compatible with sealed lead acid, and the voltage is a bit different when it comes to lithium, and this is gonna help you understand the life of your battery just by looking at your phone app. This is gonna take care of that. So while you might not necessarily have to look at your battery meter on your scooter, you'll have a more accurate reading on your phone. Oh, let me just tell you, these batteries feel extremely light. All right, so since we got them both out of the box, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, as you can see, I have my positive and negative, just like so. All right, everyone, so when we change over from SLA to lithium, we had a little issue that we had to correct, and what we have here is the old terminal bolts. They fit through. That's the original ones, but the new upgraded lithium have a much thicker terminal bolt, and we tried to drill this out and it didn't work out too well. Oops. So what we're gonna need to do is absolutely replace this, and as you can see, the wires are very close to being fit, so we can't cut that off. We're gonna need to pull these connectors off. We need to save every bit of wire we can. And here are the new connectors. Okay, they just crimp on just like that. As you can see here, this is much bigger than this one that it comes with. So we'll be able to put in our much larger bolts. As you can see, it fits in no problem. All right, so let's pull these off. Boom, boom. Now that we have the old connectors off, we're gonna replace them with the new connectors. So one at a time, connect them, crimp them, you're good to go. Nice, strong, secure connection. Yep. All right, we're gonna fast forward through this because we've got 5 of these to do. All right, now that we've got our new connections made, we're going to put some heat shrink over them to keep it professional.
By the way, folks, while Drew's getting that heat shrink ready, I just wanted to take the time to tell you a few things. Number one, we have an online forum where you can ask questions directly to technicians like myself or Andrew. So if you've got a scooter or a power chair or a lift chair and you have problems with it, you want to DIY solve it yourself, go to our forum. It's a link on the top of our website that says forum, register, post a question. A technician will respond with answers to help you troubleshoot your scooter at home. Now keep in mind, we're not gonna be able to take phone calls for problems that you may have with your scooter unless you're a customer. If you are a customer, go to our website, click on the help ticket button at the top of the page. There's an orange button, fill out the form, and our customer service team will help you out. You get lifetime customer support when you shop at Mobility Direct. Not only that, did you know that a part of every sale goes towards funding our mission to give back to the disabled community? We give away mobility scooters and wheelchairs to people in need all the time.
All the time.
A lot of these folks are veterans, they're homeless, or they're just struggling to get around with a walker, a cane, a set of crutches, and they're just really not able to afford a powered mobility device. We show up like Santa. We give them a brand new mobility scooter, and a lot of the times we have the cameras rolling. So if you want to see some of these heartfelt moments on camera, go to our YouTube channel playlist, the giveaway playlist. I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner. Grab a tissue though, because you will get emotional, I promise. It's awesome. And if you want to be a part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct, or just tell someone you know about Mobility Direct's YouTube channel. Take this video and share it on your Facebook page. Spread the word. Together, we can make a difference.
One mobility scooter at a time.
Now let's get back to the video.
So I'm putting the heat shrink on, or I'm heating up the heat shrink. As you can see, what starts out looking like a little plastic bag over the top of it. It protects the connection here from getting any sort of accidental connections to it. It's covering up what the raw side of the deal looks like here.
Kind of looks like a condom.
Sure does. You like that
fun?
You like that fun?
We're just having fun, but in all seriousness, this is to prevent any short circuits. You don't want these positive and negative terminals touching or coming loose while you ride. It is an off-road scooter, so you want to make sure you take the time to protect as much as possible those terminal those terminal loops, so they're not shorting out.
So that's how it looks.
Yeah,
slides on over.
First, it's really loose. You apply a lighter, and the heat will shrink. Imagine that. Whoever named it heat shrink, I mean, they are smart cookies. Drew just got up and he's like, "Oh, my knees." I'm like, "Yeah, you're getting old." He's like, "No, I'm not.
Nope.
It's just because I'm kneeling down."
I'm on this hard floor. 20 years ago, I wouldn't have cared.
Drew's like Benjamin Button. He doesn't get old. He gets younger. That's what he believes.
But it's not what my hairline says.
But that's not what his hairline says.
Let's take these two doohickeys. You go right in over the top. We're gonna go boom. We going boom boom. I'm just gonna get it started. Come back and tighten it after.
Remember folks, black and blue go to negative, red goes to positive. It's kind of a big deal. If you mess that up, you're probably gonna damage your brand new lithium batteries, and
you probably see sparks too.
Yeah,
you probably short your controller.
Yeah, it would be a very expensive
Just blue wire.
And you can see here, they are labeled with a negative sign and a positive sign. So make sure you go with the positive sign on the battery with the positive sign on the wire connector, always. There's two 12-volt batteries. It's a 24-volt system. They are being wired up in series.
You don't want to mess that up, guys. You don't want to mess that up.
It's kind of a big deal.
All right, so let's get them on there nice and tight. One.
We are installed. Look at that carbon fiber finish. Oh yeah.
Let's put the finishing touch on, put our last strap on.
And make sure you strap your batteries down. All right, so the moment of truth, is it gonna blow up?
Not at all.
Hey, it works fine.
Drew installed these batteries. Could you expect any other outcome? This is how you professionally install your lithium batteries on an Afikim C scooter.
It's good. We have, you know, someone from an older demographic doing it because our demographic is mainly senior citizens. So.
That's right.
All right, so the job's done. Drew, what do you think's gonna happen here? I mean, the range on these scooters is like 35 miles with lead acid, and we've seen, what, nearly double with lithium in the past?
Yeah, we'll see. I would say about 65 to 70 miles on a single charge with these batteries. That's my guess. They basically go twice the distance. They're very light, and the warranty on them is great.